AI is transforming how learning is designed, delivered, and scaled. For instructional designers, the real challenge isn't whether AI will be used, but whether they'll know how to use it effectively. The answer lies in building the right AI skills. When used strategically, AI helps instructional designers create better projects, work faster, and future-proof their careers. AI isn't about replacing instructional designers. It's about enabling them to create better projects, work faster, and future-proof their careers, if they know how to use it effectively. AI delivers results based on the clarity of your input. Instructional designers who can write precise prompts, grounded in learning objectives and audience needs, get outputs they can actually use. Knowing AI exists isn't enough. Instructional designers need hands-on experience with tools that support content creation, assessments, visuals, and learning personalization. Instructional designers must know how to embed AI into learning design. This includes adaptive pathways, personalized feedback, and data-driven learning experiences that respond to learner needs in real time. AI can generate content quickly, but not always correctly. Instructional designers must review, refine, and align AI-generated outputs with learning objectives, instructional strategy, and learner context. AI becomes transformative when it automates repetitive tasks. Automation allows instructional designers to spend less time on execution, and more time on strategy and design. The future belongs to instructional designers who combine learning science with AI fluency. Build these 5 skills, not just to keep up, but to lead. AI skills are no longer optional for instructional designers. Start building these capabilities today, and position yourself to lead the future of learning with confidence. Scan the QR code to access our free ebook on instructional design strategies.